So now we're working on our hamstrings. We've already done a warm-up set. On our apparatus here, we have actually a leg extension apparatus. But doing the math, pull these levers and fulcrums. When we were doing the quadricep work before, we were actually lifting the bottom two cushions. So it was actually the weight that is on the rack that was the weight. When we're doing now the work on the hamstrings, we're actually going to be lifting here, which is one lever away from where the weights actually are. So the weight is actually double. So right now I have 17.5 pounds on there, but it's actually 35 pounds. If you do happen to get a bench and get a leg extension device, apparatus to put on it, remember that when you do the exercise. Additionally, the weight of this apparatus weighs something too. It weighs in the neighborhood of 15 pounds. So I'm really doing about 50 pounds here as I do these hamstring curls. So this is one where you're going to be lying down. There are ones where you can do where you're standing up. But here we have it where we're lying down. So I'm going to get in here. You can see I put my legs on there, positioning myself. And now we're going to do again, up in one and down in two or three, time under tension, very important. Keep the tension on the hamstrings. Here's 1, 2. I may put a tiny bit more weight on for sets 2 and 3 after the warm-up set. I think this is the 10th one. So it's a little easy right now. Dawn and I are really just beginning again. Although we're not beginners, we're just beginning this cycle of exercising again. So it's really important not to overdo the weight. You want to have form over amount of pounds, especially for the first month or so. Don't worry about weight so much. Make sure you have the perfect form and add weight slowly. Now we're going to have Dawn doing it. Go. So now you have Dawn doing her set of 10. She has 10 less pounds on there, but it's still double the weight that's on there. So she has about an effective 30 pounds on there, plus the weight of the device. When she kicks it up, you can see what I mean. She's pulling on the cushions, and you can see the weights are on the other cushions. So that's what I meant. You just got to multiply by 2. Very well done, babe.